Hey, it's Simon from b.solar again, and today I want to talk about the difference between our platinum and black solar system packages. Basically, it just comes down to the type of inverter that's included, either string or hybrid. Decisions, right? So, which inverter should you choose? Well, it all depends on whether you plan to get a solar storage battery. If you do, you'll want to choose a black package, and here's why. In both packages, we'll still install one of the world's most efficient solar panels on your roof. However, in the black package, these are installed with a SolarEdge premium hybrid inverter, which will work with any major battery brand. It's quite literally plug and play with batteries. In our platinum package, we'll install SolarEdge's premium string inverter. String inverters are ideal for households that don't need or want a battery in the future. So what if you buy a platinum package and then decide later you want to include a battery? Well, you can, but there is extra cost involved and losses in system efficiency. You'll need to buy an interface and some extra components that together can convert your string inverter to being battery compatible. Even then, you're likely to be limited to the batteries you can connect to. Now, if you need someone to explain this a little bit better, call the friendly b.solar team on 1800 932 356. Now, b.solar is on social media, so hop onto Facebook, Instagram or Twitter to connect with us, and I'll see you soon. Bye.